I don't have any storage, but I just want to film what's in my mind. So I'm a retaker. No, I'm not a retaker. I will pass those scores. I'm a finalist on two of my courses. Actually, it is three, but right now, I just finished the first one, by genetics or bio 30. On Wednesday, I'll have my finals in university chemistry, which I have been taking for 3 semesters, and in Agri 171, which is Introduction to Laws, Policies, and Ethics in Agriculture. I hope I can pass both of it, and I hope I get the perfect score of my Chem 18 finals. But lately, I think the universe is teaching me to let go of things. You know, I should learn to let go so I can create space for the things that are meant to enter my life. Everything you lose creates space for everything you need. And it's not applicable to a certain person, but also beliefs that are not longer serving me. Things that things that holding me back, things that taking up space in my head. I have already said that without filming, so I'm just parroting my words. I really love the eyeshadow that I have. I feel pretty. So, yes, I will let go of things. I think I should practice it every day. I will let go of things that I am no longer using. I am letting go of things that has been taking up space in my head so I can think freshly. I can be more I can start over. And a lot of things had happened. This will be like my official year of spending my life spending my life in a year in the university far away from home. There's a lot of growth that occurred, aside from academics, aside of how I think, aside of how I process myself. I became better in many aspects. And yes, I will let go of things that are no longer serving me. I will let go of things that are taking up space in my head. I will let go of things. I will let go of things. Because that's the art of letting go. So the first thing I can do is erase this note that I have in my window, on my window. Arts that taught me to do things now. I miss my cat. I will not let her go. She died this year, but one important lesson I had from her that is we should do things now because it's now or never, and see what happens after doing it. So I'm letting it go, I'm erasing it because I want to really start over this window what to write. That's actually difficult to erase using this. But let me show. Oh, the light. So, little by little, day by day, what is meant for you will find its way. It will never miss you. Always remember that. I still believe that I'm just going to erase it so I can start over. Let me try my roommate's towel. Maybe it will work better. Little by little, day by day, what is meant for you will find its way. Little by little, day by day, what is meant for you will find its way. It will never miss you. Always remember that. I think I've also changed in how I speak. I speak now with more confidence. It's difficult to erase this. Can I just use wet wipes? Where is my wet wipes? I use wet wipes. I think I'm letting go of bibingka. Bye, bibingka. Like, for real this time. Because you've been consuming how many months? August, September, October. Like 3 months. I don't want it to be 4 months, you know. I think it's 4 months, but yes, I'm done. You can never force someone to like you, you know. That's okay if they don't like you. Everybody has their own preferences after all. And that's one of the important things I've learned is talking to myself healthy. Dati kasi parang kinakausap ko sarili ko na ayaw sa akin ng isang tao. Pero, ayun, parang pinarelease sa akin ni Ma'am Ella na may preferences ang tao. And okay lang kapag hindi ka preference sa isang tao. Kasi, okay lang yun. We all have our preferences. Reyna ng Quezon City by Juana. Siguro gusto ko rin mag-post ng photos sa social media kasi wala namang masama mag-post ng photos. I just don't want to like exploit my personal life, you know. Wala lang. Ito pala yung miss kong coping mechanism. I used to film myself a lot. Even in YouTube. I should post this in YouTube because I love the effect or aesthetic. Ang galing kasi kapag ipopost ko to, it's been like a year since I've posted myself and I think I look different and I have a different aura now. Aura in terms of like, feeling ko mas kilala ko yung sarili ko or mas may lived experiences na ako at hindi lang ideological. No, hindi, nag-grow lang talaga ako, I think. Feeling ko ang ganda ko sa black ng eyeshadow. Sobrang feeling era. Nakalagay pa dito sa bintana ko. Time plus energy plus talent is equals to creating of social commentaries. So, may art series akong gustong gawin. Tapusin ko na this December. Para nakafocus ako sa pagkilos sa susunod na taon. Sa mga gusto ko pang gawin at ma-accomplish. Create art for Filipino masses. Nakalagay sa aking bintana. Time, energy plus talent, creating social commentaries, at paglikha ng sining para sa masa. Sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Para sa mga kayumanggi. Para sa atin. Burahin ko na. Burahin ko lang para makapag-start over ako ng thought construction. Na-excite ako sa art series. Actually, wala naman akong... May target audience ako, of course. Ayokong para magpanggap na wala. I mean, mahalagang maging artist para sa sarili. Pero yung mga nililikha mo, wala lang. I think gusto ko rin siyang lumikha para sa ibang tao. Wala nang masama. Para sa mga magsasaka, para sa mga biktima ng sistema. Ayan, bigay na bulaklak ni Amki nasa taas. During Iskot Iska. And I really appreciate that. Yan, nabura ko na. Feeling ko, parang late ko na-realized ang things. Not really late, but parang timely lesson, synthesis. Final na kasi yung year. Tama na, bes. Hindi naman siya ganun kapogi. Like, hindi mo rin siya kilala in the first place. So, it is definitely one-sided. So, ayun lang naman. Nakapag-release na ako ng Damdamin. Babalik na ako ulit sa pagre-review kasi gusto ko na makapasa sa isang course na yan. University Chemistry, palayain mo na ako. Chem 18, palayain mo na ako. Ayoko na. Bye-bye. Post ko to sa YouTube account ko. So, pwede ako mag-vlog dito pala. Like, mag-vlog ako using my laptop. Kind of iconic. Like, just a diary ng nangyayari sa buhay ko in my college years. Kasi ayoko mag-post ng videos, parang ang curated. Like, yung ina-edit pa isa-isa sa TikTok, tapos ihalalagay mo sa highlights mo. Like, napapagod. Feeling ko mapapagod ako kapag gano'n. Siguro ito na lang yung way, no, to preserve some memories ay mag-film sa laptop, i-upload sa YouTube, i-delete. Tapos ayun, yun yung carbon footprint ko. Bye-bye! Brr.